August 15th, 2024. It's starting to rain hard. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening right now, so it's raining. The rain is coming down. I don't know if I got any birds out, but I'm gonna whistle and feed these birds. Jace is playing video games with his friends, so I'm doing this solo today, but you know, you gotta have fun with his friends too, so you know, let's see here. I'm gonna put the plate, then I'm gonna whistle. Let's see what happens here. Come on, you guys. So. Look at that. That part of the training is going real good. You know, they're like, boom, they're in. So let me grab the next plate. The rain is coming down. Put these guys in here just chilling. So let's see. Cat over there. Let's see, one more plate. Yeah, so right here. Come on, Marshall. So let's reconfirm the whistling, but everything seems to be working good. Look like I got most of them. Some might have drifted out, and I'll count after they eat, and I'll let everybody know where we stand. No, we had 33, so we'll see. So yeah, the rain is coming down. Look at that. Let me put this cage door up, the aviary. There we go, everybody's in. The rain is coming down. But you know, it is what it is. So the dark lofts, Big Island of Hawaii, we had a little bit of action. Oh, yeah,